Yes, it is.
Very fun.
It's very fun.
Let's get jump.
What you doing, Joe?
Oh, this is cold.
It's cold.
Hey, Dad.
What you doing, Joe?
I think it's mounted my child. What are you guys doing?
Just sitting down.
Honey, I given Weedy a wet wash. Hi.
Gentle. Don't touch her eyes. And don't touch her tail. Don't touch her eyes. Just touch her back. Gentle. Good job. Yay. Did you have fun in the sprinkler, Joe?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to play in Mama.
And Mama.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love you.
No.
No?
I love it.
Yeah. Where's your bee-boo? There it
Right
is. Right there. Mmm. Juicy.
Juicy.
Juicy. Can you say, I love you, Mommy?
Bye.
I love you, too. Are you a good boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you big boy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you dancing?
I'm just
Yeah. Then go back to the sprinkler now? No. Are you crazy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you goofball?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's Daddy?
Back here.
Right there. Where's Evie?
Back here.
No, she's over there on the ladder. Where's Mama?
Back here.
Right there.
Back here, Evie.
That's where Evie is. That's right.
I'm done.
You off to do the next thing now?